Thank you for visiting the Combs Water Cuddy website and our YouTube channel. We have created these statute pages to help you understand Missouri law and the possible charges you may be facing. If you have any questions, please call us for free at 314-900-HELP. This video provides details and a definition of Missouri Statute 455.065, modifying Missouri orders of protection, custody, or support. Support, custody, or visitation orders can be changed if circumstances change. This law explains when a court can change parts of an existing order involving maintenance, child support, custody, or visitation after it has already been issued. 1. Orders about maintenance or support can only be changed for future payments, not past ones. The person asking for the change must show that circumstances have changed significantly and continuously, making the current terms unfair. 2. Custody orders can only be changed if new facts have come up or were unknown at the time of the original order, showing that circumstances have changed for the child or custodian, and that a change is needed to protect the child's best interests. 3. Visitation orders can be changed when doing so would better serve the child's best interests. In Missouri, an order of protection prohibits anyone that has been served to contact the alleged victim. This includes communicating, threatening, abusing, or engaging in any way with the order's petitioner. This is also known as an ex parte, or order of protection, or more commonly known as a restraint order. We handle cases like your every day. Reach out to our Missouri Orders of Protection lawyers now at 314-900-HELP. Orders of protection are usually attached to domestic violence and to safeguard any alleged victims from further violence, both physical and emotional. Ex parte order of protection typically involves temporary restraining orders. This may mean that the accused party cannot return to a certain property, communicate with spouses or children, or come near the petitioner until the court, police, and lawyers become involved in the case.